ASMB stock analysis and ASMB stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. As the only guy in the stock trading space that has done over 45,000 videos in 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Assembly Bioscience. From a first gun, I'll just tell you this. It's definitely like a bullish range and a bullish market, but it's not something that I'll immediately start buying here. Like, look at this thing. Like, I'm just going to also mark up the demand zone. And the one thing that I care most about is if the price corrects down and then gives me a shift from there. This is not me like buying here randomly, no. But I would definitely look to kind of buy if there is a confirmation. So all I'm certainly looking to do in the meantime is just wait for the rules to be met. I'm waiting. It's not obviously going to give me the exact rules. Probably I'm just going to go with a type 1 confirmation, which is still, again, fair point, but other than that, if you do want to stay tuned and want to get free tips, insights, emails sent out to your inbox for free, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated.